Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we're back working on our 66 Mustang Fastback. We've been converting this from a 6-cylinder to a 289. So today we're kind of like at this point where we're just gonna kind of start putting accessories on this engine. We gotta do the alternator, the crankshaft pulley, we got snorkel, carburetor, ignition coil, just kind of some basic things like that. I don't think I'm gonna kind of dive into how to do all these little things. I think I'm just gonna set up the tripod and kind of time lapse this process. But that's kind of where we're at. It's just down to some little things. So let's go start.
I am counting down the seconds, and I can no longer pretend that I am completely content with where I'm at. If I met you, I would burn my magazines, erase all my history, and say I'm sorry. Like a tree, I burn my leaves and bare myself for all to see, and you call it beauty. I am hoping that you're running down the road to me without your shoes on. and I can no longer pretend that I am completely content with where I'm at. If I met you, I would burn my magazines, erase all my history and say I'm sorry. And like a tree I burn my leaves and bare myself for all to see, and you call it beauty. I am hoping that you're running down the road to me without your shoes on.
Okay, so I think we got all the little things kind of wrapped up. We probably sped through quite a bit of that. There is a lot to this, which is why I kind of just time-lapsed it. And then I kind of like forgot to, film the ending of this video. It's been several months since we kind of had this ready to go. The car's been painted, it's been repainted and everything, so which was kind of part of our deal with working this car. So still gotta get the interior in it, but yeah, all the little things are done here. It's now ready for a first time start. So the next video that you see in this series is going to be a first time startup and what I do in order to start these engines up for the first time. So anyways, if that was cool, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. All those little things do go a long way when it comes to helping us make more videos, which are hopefully helpful for you guys. Okay, thanks.